Today we want to look at verb and subject agreement. Verb and subject agreement. So today, I want you to understand something. When you're referring to a single person, that is one, then the verb takes S, letter S. And if you're talking to more than one person, your sentence is referring to more than one person, the verb does not need letter S. This is what I'm saying. She plays, not she play. So she go to school every day. You say she goes to school every day. Okay? He runs. It rains. So when you say she go to school every day, no, you say she goes to school every day. Now, see, note the difference, go and goes. Now, they, more than one person, right? They go to school every day. They go. She goes. She, just one person. He runs very fast. He runs very fast. He, one person, right? Very fast. He runs. There is an S. There is letter S there. He runs very fast. Now, they run very fast. They run. I didn't put letter S there. They run very fast. So you'd need to understand the agreement between the verb and the subject. You need to understand the agreement between the verb and the subject. So when the subject is just one person, then your verb need letter S to be added. But if it's more than one person, you remove the S. Okay? Yes, I hope you're thinking of example to give me. Do you have one? The boy runs very fast. The boy runs very fast. They run very fast. Right? The teacher teaches grammar. The teacher teaches grammar. Remember, teaches. There is ES added to make it what? Plural. Remember, we are making the verb plural, the action word plural. The teacher teaches grammar. Now, let's say there are more than one teacher, like 2, 5, 10. Okay, so we say the teachers teach grammar. The teachers teach grammar. Okay, do we have more example? If you have questions, please put it on the comment section. Thank you. The teacher teaches grammar. She wears